Open browser and type game loop. Okay. Piliin natin yung the best Android emulator for PC. Okay. Ito. Then, game loop 32-bit. Okay, download game loop. Okay, downloading. Open file location. Okay. Ilagay natin to sa desktop yung installer niya. Okay. Tapos open. Click yes. Okay. Mag-i-install lang yan. Wait lang natin. Okay, start. Wait lang natin. Open lang natin to. That's how you download game loop. Download lang ako ng Google Play Store kasi maglalaro ako dito ng Magic Chess Go Go sa Play Store. Okay guys, that's how you download game loop. Delete nyo lang yung installer kanina.